Okay, in this video we're going to be combining like terms. Look at the expression we have, 2z plus 6 plus 3z plus 5. Notice your terms are separated by a mathematical symbol. So here we have 2z is one term, 6 is a second term, 3z is a third term, and 5 is a fourth term. We have 4 terms in this expression. Now remember, with like terms, we can only combine them if they're like. So which ones do we see that are like each other? Well, we see a 6, which is just a number, and 5, which is another number. Those are like. So we've got 6 plus 5 is 11. That leaves us with 2 more terms. Now, are they like each other? Yes, they are. 2 z's and 3 z's. In this case, we can think of the variable almost like a label. So whatever z is, we have 2 of them and 3 of them. So we have like terms. 2z plus 3z is 5z. They're both positive, so we're going to add them. 5 z's are positive. The 6 and 5 are both positive. Our combined expression is 5z plus 11. We've combined the like terms. Now what if we have some negative numbers? Let's look at an expression. This time let's take 2z minus 6 plus 3z plus 5. Again, we have 4 terms. The negative 6 or minus 6 and a positive 5 are 2 terms we combine. Now look at the signs. This negative sign goes with the 6. So we have a negative 6 and a positive 5. Gives us a negative 1. We have a positive 2z and a positive 3z. So again, we have 5z. But this time our expression is 5z minus 1. Let's take it now. What if we have an equation where we need to combine like terms? So we have 2z plus 6 plus 3z plus 5 equals 4z plus 2 minus z. The first thing we're going to do is combine like terms on the left side of the equal sign. So here again, we have a 5, positive 5, a positive 6. We get positive 11 or plus 11. 2z plus 3z, we have 5z plus 11. Bring down our equal sign. Now here on the right side of the equal sign, what like terms do we have? Well, only the z's. We have positive 4z minus z gives us 3z, and then we have to bring down that positive 2 plus 2. Now we're ready to start working the equation, but we have first combined all of the like terms. Notice that this equation is a little different than the last ones. We have, right here, we have z plus 1 are in parentheses. So, what we are going to do is, before we can think of combining like terms, we have to get rid of those parentheses by distribution. And that I will show you how to do in another video. But you cannot start combining terms in an equation like this until you have distributed and gotten rid of that parenthesis.